March 21, 2025, New York State Police were responding to a house in Constantia, Oswego County, regarding a welfare check for 32-year-old man Miles Dignian. Upon their arrival, Miles Dignian began attacking the officers.
Well, I got your mom coming up. Take your son so you don't.
No, that's not happening. If you're gonna come here and tell me that, you guys can all.
You have to stay away over protection with him, dude.
All right.
I don't want to start getting a fight with you, especially with your son in your hands. All right.
It's not gonna happen.
Your mom's coming.
All right, come on. Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming.
All right.
Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to yourself.
Miles, dude. Miles, stop.
Give me your hands.
All right, stop. Let me go. What? Corey, stop.
Dude, stop, Miles.
The officers were also ordered to remove the child from Miles Dignian's custody. However, Miles didn't cooperate with the officers and ended up being shot. The young son, who is just 3 years old, had to witness all of this unfolding right in front of his eyes.